Design and print club flyers. Distributing flyers to promote a club is one of the more effective ways on making sure your venue is well known. The steps below outline how to design and print flyers sized 4x6 inches. Starting your project. Start off by creating 2 files in Photoshop or any image editing software. These 2 files should be 4.5 x 6.5 inches. The half-inch allowance on all sides is typical in any printing project, which allows the printed ink some space for bleeding. You can just chop off these edges later on. Or you can leave them there to serve as a border to your flyer. Select a color scheme. Pick a few colors to serve as your color scheme. Choose a bold color as your main or background filler. Alternatively, you can also choose a hip photograph to serve as your background. Make sure that the font and font color that you use complement the overall style that you have chosen. Also make sure that your font color stands out against the background so that the text is easily read. The photo that you choose should also embody the spirit of your club. Putting things together. You should also place a few things about your club at the flip side of the flyer. Items such as opening and closing time, your location, and special promotions would help. You can also include, if applicable, a theme per night so that the visitors would know what to expect on a particular night. Keep the information short and simple so that the readers would be encouraged to read and keep it. When you lay out the entire flyer, the important images should be at the center so that in case you need to trim the edges, the important items are intact. Save your flyer in TIF format. When you are done with the design part, make sure you save all of your hard work into a TIF file. It is best to save them in high resolution since you do not want your printouts to look pixelated and unprofessional. TIF files are very compatible with majority of the printers and do not lose the quality of the image. If not, you can opt to save it as a JPEG file instead. Print and distribute. Send your 2 files of TIFs, or JPEGs, to your trusted printer. Make sure that you choose the proper combination of ink and paper. Another alternative to make the printing of the flyers cost-efficient, make a version of your design in grayscale so that you can save a bit more in printing it in grayscale than just using a colored paper as a medium. You can also save by printing your flyers with a lot of lead time so that you do not have to pay a premium for rush orders. Take good care of knowing where to distribute your flyers. Select places that you know your target customers are so that the effort you spent on your flyers would be well worth it.